Hello everyone. Today let's discuss on the lesson banking. Let's discuss on the topic non-banking financial institution. Before going to the topic, let's understand in simple words what is NBFC. Now NBFC stands for non-banking financial companies. They include insurance companies, chain stock broking firms, organizations that provides loans for vehicles, homes, machineries, aircrafts, and even for mobile phones. So in brief, we can say that NBFC can be defined as these are the companies that can provide a wide range of specific financial services without offering traditional banking facilities. So it also accepts deposits from the customer, and these are in the form of insurance premium and shares listed on the stock market. They are not authorized to offer savings bank and other deposit schemes. For example, the cooperative credit societies will accept your deposit and give you a share. Instead of paying interest to your deposit, they will pay a part of profit as a dividend on your share. So we say that they do not carry on a pure banking business, but they carry on the other financial transactions. Here are some best examples of top non-banking financial companies of India. The listing is random and does not indicate the financial standing of the country. Hence, we have not included the financial results of any NBFC. The below list is not meant to influence customers, investors, or to have any bearing on the stock market. So we can have several examples like Power Finance Corporation Limited, Shriram Transport Finance Companies, Bajaj Finance, Muthoot Finance, Cholamandalam Finance, L&T Finance, Aditya Birla Finance, LIC, Housing Finance. All these are the best examples of NBFCs. So they play a vital role in providing finance to the people and for better economic growth in our country. They are the institutions which undertake borrowings and lendings. They operate in both the money and the capital market. So NBFIs can be classified into two categories. One is stock exchange and the other one is other financial institutions. Under the later category comes as financial companies, financial corporations, chit funds, building societies, issues houses, investment trust and UTI, unit trust and insurance companies. Thank you. Please keep subscribing my videos.